नमस्कार. Circumference of circle and area 15.1 एग्जाम्पल फर्स्ट कर रहे हैं. फाइंड द रेडियस ऑफ द सर्किल व्हेन द सर्कमफ्रेंस ऑफ सर्किल इज 132 सेंटीमीटर. Solution. Here we know that circumference of circle is equal to 132 centimeter. Circumference of circle means 2 pi r is equal to 132 centimeter. This implies 2 pi means 22 upon 7 into r is equal to 132. So r is equal to 132 into 7 upon 2 into 22. 22 and 22, 22 6 ja 6 into 7 upon 2 means 42 upon 2 is equal to 21 centimeter. So radius of circle is equal to 21 centimeter. Second example, find the area of the circle whose radius is 7 centimeter. Solution. Given the radius of circle, radius of circle means r is equal to 7 centimeter. R is given and area of circle is question is area of circle. Find the area of circle. Because area of circle is equal to area of circle is equal to pi r square. Pi means 22 upon 7 into r means 7 ka square means 22 upon 7 into 7 into 7 7 से 7 cancel 22 upon into 7 22 into 7 means 154 centimeter square. Here centimeter square because area, the unit of area is centimeter square, so 154 centimeter square. Hence area of circle is equal to 154 centimeter square. Example 3. A wheel of a cycle make 500 rotation to complete a distance of 11 kilometer. Find the diameter of the wheel. Solution. Given number of rotation is equal to 5000. Distance covered by wheel in 500 rotation is equal to 11 kilometer. Distance covered by 500 rotation means 11 kilometer, 11 into 1000 मीटर एंड 100 से मल्टीप्लाई करते ही ये सेंटीमीटर में कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा. सो 11 इंटू 1000 इंटू 100 सेंटीमीटर. डिस्टेंस now write distance cover in one rotation is equal to number of rotation, distance upon number of rotation. Distance is equal to 11 into 1000 into 100 centimeter upon number of rotation 5000 means 1100 upon 5. Distance cover in one rotation. One rotation में जो distance cover होती है वह circumference की जितनी होती है means circumference of circle is equal to 220 centimeter means 2 pi r is equal to 220 centimeter where r is radius of circle and two pi r is equal to 220. 2r is equal to 220 upon pi. Pi means 22 upon 7, 10, 17 centimeter. So diameter of wheel is equal to 70 centimeter. Question है radius of a circle is 3.5 centimeter. Find the circumference and area. Solution. Here radius of circle is equal to 3.5 centimeter. Means r is equal to 3.5 centimeter. circumference of circle is equal to 2 pi r means 2 into pi means 22 upon 7 into r 3.5 centimeter 0.5 मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे 1.0 2 को 0.5 से मल्टीप्लाई करने पर 1.0 into 22 means 22 centimeter. The unit of circumference centimeter because radius is also centimeter. So circumference of circle is equal to 22 centimeter and area of circle is equal to pi r square 22 upon 7 into 3.5 whole square means 22 upon 7 into 3.5 into 3.5 0.5 22 5 jam 110 22 3 jam 66 or 11 77 into 0.5 7 5 are 35 7 5 are 35 35 or 38.5 centimeter square. So area of circle is equal to 38.5 centimeter square and circumference of circle is equal to 22 centimeter. The circumference of a circle is 44 centimeter. Find the area of the circle. Here given circumference of circle is equal to 44 centimeter. Circumference of centimeter not meter. Circumference of the circle is 44 meter. Circumference of circle means 2 pi r, where r is the radius of circle is 44 centimeter. 2 pi means 22 upon 7 into r is equal to 44 centimeter. So r is equal to 44 into 7 upon 2 into 22 7 centimeter. Area of circle is equal to pi r square. Pi means 22 upon 7 r. Here r is equal to 7 centimeter means 22 upon 7 into 7 into 7 7 से 7 cancel 22 को 7 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे 154 centimeter meter square. The radius of a semicircle slack plot is 21 meter. Find the area and पैरामीटर. एक प्लॉट है जिसकी शेप दे रखी है अपन को सेमी सर्किल. टाइप का प्लॉट है. इसका एरिया और पैरामीटर हमें फाइंड आउट करना है. गिवन रेडियस ऑफ सर्किल, radius of a semicircle is equal to 21 meter. Radius means r. R is equal to 21 meter. Area of semicircle is equal to pi r square upon 2. 22 upon 7 into r means 21 square into 2. 11 into 21 pi square 441 upon 7. 7 under 7, 7 6 ja 42 or 7 3 ja 11 into 63, 3 66 or 369 meter square. So area of the semicircle plot is equal to 693 meter square, and perimeter of plot is equal to, perimeter means 1 half of semicircle, and diameter means 2 pi r upon 2. 2 pi r perimeter of circle upon 2 semicircle, so upon 2 plus 2r. 2r means diameter, so pi r plus 2r. Pi means 22 upon 7, r 21 plus 2 into 21. 7 3 ja 22, 3 ja 66 plus 42 means 108 meter. So perimeter of semicircle plot is equal to 100